Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a multi-purpose grinder like this. I've got other videos on my channel showing you how to take this apart, how to take the blade off, how to take the carbon brushes off. So I've already shown you in other videos. I'm not going to waste your time in this one. This video is just to show you how to fix it when it makes horrible noise when it's turning around. When you start it. So if you don't know how to take the blade off, watch the other video on my channel, or it might be at the end of the end screen of this video. You can click on that and watch that, so you know how to take the blades off, how to take this off. It's got 4 screws. You take that off. After taking the blades off, which is got a trick, you need to watch that video. And then this motor, as I said, when you started it, it was making a very horrible noise, like it was scratching or catching something. First thing I did was to take the carbon brushes off. Again, if you don't know how to take those off, you have 2 carbon brushes either side of this. Then you need to watch that video specifically for this, how to take the carbon brushes off your multi-purpose grinder or mill on my channel. And take those off, take the cover off, and there are 4 more screws here, this size screws here. I've taken those off, and with a little bit of a leverage with a screwdriver, this should come off, and you have your rotor here. One end of it is a ball bearing here, and as you can see, it's got a rubber cover, but it is turning nicely. But this side was not turning very well. I started making the video after I fixed it, so as you can see, it is now rotating very well. All he needed was just a drop of WD-40, spray right inside the shaft where it's going inside the bearing. You could do from here, but I don't want to do that, because this side you have the felt, and this might be touching your food, whatever you're grinding. I don't want that contaminated, so you don't do that either. I suggest you just spray with your nozzle inside there a little bit, just a drop, just one, and that's it. Then you keep turning it till it's going smoothly with no stop. But when I opened it, it was like this. It was stopping here. With the weight of this handle, it was just stopping here. It wasn't even going around. And even with the hand moving it, it wasn't going very smooth. So now it's nice and clean. You can see the rust, actually, the oil is washing the rust coming down here. So you can see that just wiping off. So it is still washing. I'm just gonna do a few more sprays and keep turning it until I get all the rust out. Put this away. So you get it nice and clean. You can see the rust is washing out, and then you put it back on. You reverse the process, and that's it. Your grinder is fixed, and Bob's your uncle. Till next video, it's goodbye for me.